Imagine the exhilaration of a community gathering for a joyous celebration, only for it to transform into an unimaginable nightmare. In 1919, the South Fork Dam near Johnstown, Pennsylvania, gave way, unleashing 20 million tons of water and causing one of the most devastating floods in American history. The Johnstown flood obliterated everything in its path, claiming over 2,200 lives and leaving countless others homeless. The catastrophe laid bare the deadly consequences of neglect and poor infrastructure, and it is a chilling reminder of how quickly nature can turn celebration into sorrow.